but this is the second time that I've had the good fortune of doing a finale for Lenders Pride Fashion Tour, and I think building on what she said about iconic spaces, I really enjoy the fact that they choose such interesting elements and nature as a backdrop. Even the last time I was able to do a show in the Northeast, and this time with Howrah in the background in Kolkata, I think it really adds a vibrance and an energy and a feel to the show. Man, I can't stop raving about it. I really love it. It was the quickest fitting I think I've ever had. It took all of 2.5 minutes. And it makes me feel like I feel like a warrior, but I feel like a poet at the same time.
I think it started with Ishan. You think of him and there's a vision and you feel like, okay, you know what you're already going to do. Besides that, we wanted to stay with the story that Future is crafted, and what we look at here is very intricate pieces of silver jewels that we find within our country in different states, which we use, like he said, as a warrior in the most modern ways, and at the same time there's an emotion that's attached to it.
And handcrafted.
Definitely.
I think it's shaping culture. I think as India progresses into a younger nation, it's always been a young nation, but I think a lot of influence is from culture and fashion, and I think it's a beautiful confluence of all these brilliant design minds that are able to put up these kind of shows that I guess will expand the imagination of the future generations to push the envelope even further. My fashion mantra is wear the clothes, don't let them wear you. मुझे तो बहुत मज़ा आया, जैसे कि मैंने पहले कहा था कि आई थिंक जब कॉन्सेप्ट ही इतना बढ़िया हो और आपको अपने लुक और फील से ही प्रेरणा मिल जाए तो आई थिंक दैट एनर्जी कैरीज यू. तो सच कहूँ तो ज़्यादा कुछ करना नहीं पड़ा. आई थिंक यहाँ की हवा में ही एक एनर्जी है, तो उसी को लेकर चले बस. एंड just exchanged energy with all of you beautiful people, and I enjoyed it thoroughly. I really like my look today, so I'm going to stay in it for a while.
बंगाली फूड्स के बारे में पूछ रहे हैं. हाँ, कोई फूड्स आपको पसंद है?
फूड्स तो मेरी एक्चुअली एक डायरेक्टर हैं प्रियंका घोष, जिन्होंने रॉयल्स के 6 एपिसोड डायरेक्ट किए थे. तो उनके घर पे जो माछर घोंटो और ये सारी चीज़ें मिलती हैं तो बहुत मज़ा आता है. तो उनके पेरेंट्स के यहाँ मैं जाता रहता हूँ खाने के लिए अक्सर. और वो एक मुझे डिश का नाम नहीं मालूम, लेकिन बैंगन को फ्राई करके कुछ कमाल का बनाते हैं. क्या कहते हैं?
बेगुन भाजा. बेगुने भाजा.
बेगुने भाजा.
हाँ, भाजा. बेगुन भाजा.
मेनू भाजा. नहीं बिल्कुल नहीं. एक्टू. I'm very proud. I think I've always maintained that this is the film I've been proudest of in my career, and I think it's a feeling to be able to take a film that's so rooted and so Indian to the world, and we've been putting in the work. We want to get it seen, to expose people to what Indian cinema can be and is also, and yeah, we're just all very proud of it, and we didn't expect to come this far. It's a very beautiful journey. We've been shortlisted. There are only 5 films. मतलब इंडिया के इतिहास में 98 सालों में 98 years, there are only 5 films that have reached this point. इस मकाम तक सिर्फ 5 फिल्में पहुंच पाई हैं. So हम पूरी कोशिश करेंगे, सारा जोर लगा देंगे that हम दुनिया तक ये फिल्म लेकर जाएं और भारत का नाम ऊंचा करें. Well, when I think of those two together, I think the word is grateful, because it's very rare to get an opportunity like that in 1 year as an actor, and this is the fun of being an actor, and this is the great joy and privilege of being able to do what you do, is push yourself in different directions. And I've always kind of vowed to bring forth that kind of diversity and range in my work, and I was just very fortunate this year that I got to follow them up back to back, and both have been very fruitful for me in very different ways. I think Homebound has been deeply personal and satisfying for me, and Royals was an audience favorite, and just to be able to play that kind of character and enjoy it thoroughly has been a joy, and I'm looking forward to bringing more such work and bringing double the energy next year. थोड़े डगमगा रहे हैं हम सब. It's nice. I think it's so different, and like I was telling her all night, I've been saying this. There's just such a nice feel in the air, that it doesn't feel like work. You don't have to create a mood or a style or anything. It's just there, and I think it's lovely. In fact, मैं इनसे कह रहा था कि मैं 4 फ्लाइटें पकड़ के आया हूँ यहाँ पर. मेरा सर अभी भी चकरा रहा है. I've been traveling a lot, working a lot, but मैं टर्की से कैपाडोकिया से यहाँ पर 4 फ्लाइटें पकड़ के आया हूँ just for me.
Thank you.
And I would do it all over again.
Oh, thank you so much.